Here goes Mango shopping.
What are you buying, Papa?
Groceries.
Groceries? What are you picking up?
Am I going to get this a puppet?
Okay, put in the cart. Next stop. What else?
Gum.
Can't forget the gum.
What are you doing, Esme?
I'm getting stuff.
You guys are shopping?
Yep.
Ah.
And Walmart.
You and who?
Mango, me and Mango, and you.
Ah, what's that for?
For his pain. It's Asper cream.
Okay. He
You
needs some
have
cream
pain.
He needs some cream. for
Yes,
his
he needs
feathers.
some under his wings. See, he's got pain.
Well,
Lots of pain.
Guitar,
Ah, we're gonna be playing guitar.
mouse,
Oh,
And a
for
mouse.
the computer.
and I'm going to need a TV.
Oh,
You buying more stuff, Papa?
oh, he's getting a TV. I know which one it is.
A TV.
The big old tablet. Oh, phone.
No, he did not like it. It's too small for him.
It's too small. He needs a bigger one. Tablet size.
He got upset at that one.
It's too tiny. Mango.
Brody,
You need some duct tape.
No, ese no es
Brody.
fluye cuando lo quieras hacer, no sirve.
What's next?
Brushing the hair.
Oh, okay, a hairbrush.
Feather hair. Hairbrush. Feather hairbrush. Here we go.
Bye, Mango.
We need to go check out.
Excuse me, this side. This side is the checkout.
This is express lane.
Yes. Excuse me. Let me see what you have, Mango.
Pero vas a calificar.
Chick. Beep. 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 This is not yours? It is yours?
Well,
Okay.
you need to check that one because it's electronic.
Beep. Yes, at the exit they will open it. Beep. 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 No, not this one. You want to return this one? Is this to return?
Yes.
Okay. Beep. Cancel. This one. Beep. Okay, that's $100, sir. Don't look at your mother. Give me $100.
Give it to her, Papa.
Thank you. Here's your change. Bye. Here, let me put everything in there, okay?
That's his receipt.
That's his receipt. And
You need to
you
take
need
it
to,
by the
yes.
exit.
Where's
He'll
the,
probably need it.
I saw it here somewhere.
He dropped it.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
No biting,
Don't
sir.
move my stuff. ¿Quieres otro?
No, it's right here. There's your receipt, sir. Don't forget your
He wants
electronics.
to grab it, Mommy. Give it to him.
Sir, you need your receipt for the exit. Hold your receipt. Sir, we're not gonna go through this. Hold your receipt. Sir, you need to hold your receipt. Sir, please hold your receipt.
Mira, dáselo así porque así pega con ellos. Así pega con ellos. But there she is.
There you go. Okay, bye-bye. Go to the exit. You need to give it to her.
It's a receipt.
Sir, you need your receipt.
You cannot
Show her.
exit the door.
We're gonna have to hold you. Excuse me, sir. Your receipt.
Aquí está. Aquí está, papi. Toma tu recibo. Papi, se te olvidó tu recibo. Dáselo.
Give your receipt to her. Nope. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Here you go.
A ver, dámelo a mí. Yo se lo doy, mami. Dámelo, dámelo. Toma, papi. Toma tu recibo. No, are you mad?
Oh, okay. Do you really want the gum, sir?
Yes.
Is that what it is? You need the gum? Okay. Boop. Here's your new receipt. Okay, thank you. Give it to her on your way out. Your receipt?
Okay, we're gonna go over this.
Yeah.
Papi, they're not gonna let you out without your receipt.
You need your receipt. Hand it to her. Hand it to her.
We'll just double check and make sure
Oh.
you didn't overcharge. Le cobraste creo algo más, no sé, something. You probably overcharged him.
I
That's why he's so
didn't
mad.
I didn't overcharge. What did I overcharge,
Pues
sir?
no lo vas a dejar salir por la guitarra.
Oh, there's a
Después
receipt.
está enojado. Chécale, make sure that you're not overcharged for the guitar. It was 150, sunflower seeds. And you probably charged him like
Oh, he's
500.
mad. Oh, he's very, very mad.
Here you go, sir.
Yeah. Bye. Vroom, vroom.
Sí, ¿verdad? Pasó, güey. Mission accomplished.